ever wondered if you get bots on eBay? How are you? What's the condition of this item? Is there a set price you'd be happy with? Okay. Well, the listing is for Dead MacBook Pro, art or gold recovery. It's the machine that I found in the woods the other day that I've put on really to draw attention to the YouTube video more than anything else. It is up for £1, 0 bids of course. It's the one with the smashed display assembly. The display assembly is separated from the machine, as you can see on the first picture here. The logic board's really messed up and there's water damage, as you can clearly see here. There's corrosion and crap all over it. You see in here there's more corrosion and nastiness. You see here the lid is covered in crap. And yet he is saying, let's go back to his message, how are you? What's the condition of this item? Is there a set price you'd be happy with? I swear this is just like some generic fucking bot message or something. Oh dear, what a fucking idiot. See you later.